Welcome, you're watching DPI Anchor Academy channel where talent is born. Would it be great if you can customize your speaker with a logo of ROG, aka Republic of Gamer? Let's try it with gold and candy color paint. First, print out your ideal size ROG logo on a piece of paper and tape over the logo with masking tape. Trace its shape on the tape with a pen. You can also use sticker paper as it can be easier. Stick your tracing on the surface of the speaker where you want the logo and cut out its shape. Next, use the more masking tape to cover areas that you don't want to paint on. Using slimmer tape, create line patterns on both sides of the speaker. Spray on silver as base color. Followed by premium gold. For every layer of paint spray, remember to allow time for it to dry properly. When done, we carefully remove the masking tape. Too rough may result in some paint being peeled off. Final step, spray on flat clear for long-lasting durability and also to enhance the matte effect. Moving on to the speaker front cover. We cover up the areas we don't want paint on with masking tape. Spray on silver as base color. Next, use 3 different candy tone colors to create multi-color effect. Candy blue, candy red, and candy green. Leave to dry. With white paint, create a splash effect on the speaker cover for some personal touch, or just leave it blank. Finally, we carefully remove the masking tape to reveal the end product. There you have it, an amazing result. DPI Anchor Spray Paint is always the most reliable. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.